Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. I want to show you how much package I still have left that I need to open. This is not everything, but I think it's most of it. So there's still a lot of, and then here too, a lot of unopened stuff from AliExpress that I've been collecting for the past year. So, for anyone who's asking links, I have no idea. I don't even remember what these are. So, finding them, I have over now I have over 5,000 orders. So going through them for each is not an easy task. I'm sorry. AliExpress craft supply haul video. I haven't done this in a while. I received my second container for the moving shipment, and I still have not found the Christmas dies, so that's why I have not started making Christmas cards, because I'm lacking in dies, but I really want to get started on those. So I'm hoping there's gonna be some Christmas dies here. First one is this beautiful Nutcracker stamp. This is a whole stamp. Looks like very thin lines, very good lines, and a lot of room to color. But I do wish they were actually individual, but it's still very beautiful. Then we have a Christmas sloth. Jingle all the way. So sometimes I see that they have really, really good sentiments with other things, and I sometimes wish the sentiments will come separately. I have a sloth for just Christmas sentiments, and so it's just good to know to think about when you're looking for a sentiment. Maybe it's mixed in with another stamp in a different set. You kind of have to remember that, or if you don't know what kind of sentiment to put on your card, look through your other stamps, because there might be a hidden gem to you. I really like this, but then I have to like kind of remember that there's a butterfly stamp that has a to you with it. This is a whole stamp, very beautiful. I love the little shading. It looks like there is room to color. And this is a fish, again a whole stamp. Now, I have not bought anything on AliExpress in a while, because I've noticed that there are stuff on Amazon for the same exact price. So what's the point of waiting for weeks or even a month if you can get similar or the same stuff on Amazon? Right now there is 2 open go giveaways, but because I have so many duplicates and a lot of people who constantly apply for the giveaway, I feel bad for them that they don't win, because I do see the same names over and over again. So I made an Etsy store where I'm selling some of my duplicates in case anybody wants them, instead of just hoping that the YouTube random picker picks them. This is a motivation sentiment. I love it, but I don't see why it's with the boat. I would really, really like to have this separately. I could technically, you know, sometimes cut out the sentiments I like and put it in a different box to organize it, but it would take so long. Okay, last package. I'm trying to not make these videos too long. I know a lot of you have said that you do like long videos. I still don't want to make them extremely long. Ooh, look at that. Is this the balloon? Yes. This is a die for this. Nice. Nice. What is this for? What is that for? Gnome. Oh, let's put this one. I need to tape these together to make sure I don't lose it. No me's. I love the sentiments, and they look like it's with the sentiment. Love it. The lines are absolutely amazing. There's so much room to color. It's the perfect size. So I just tape it like this and organize it later. A Halloween one, kind of late for that, but the lines are perfect. So much room to color. Is this? No, it's for the next one. Okay, there's some random ones in here. Gorgeous, I love it. I bet you don't know. Oh, I love that. More gnomes, and came with the die. Love it. Perfect size. So much room to color. Love it. Happy to a friend like no one else. Who has started working on their Christmas card? Not me. This is a window, and this you can stamp it, cut it twice, and then do a little close window thing. Stars, and I think those are supposed to be like the ice thing. We'll figure it out another day. Alright, so also came with the die. I love that they come with the die. So the last stuff that I did buy for the faces, just an idea, when you have faces you can put them on anything, even vegetables or car. That would be cute. The last stuff I was buying on the Ollie, I tried to look for things that come with the die, because cutting it out with hand takes a while. And if you want a perfect even outline, it's gonna take even longer. I love it. There's so many little details. When you have a little tree like this, you can also decorate it. Like you can put the pumpkin right here, like there's a pumpkin sitting right there. That would be so cute. Next year, honestly, in this Halloween I didn't do anything really. I think I did some journals. That's pretty much it. But yeah, this Halloween I was traveling for almost a month. Cute. Room to color. Not sure how I feel about the lines, but I really like this wreath, and the owl is so cute. And the good size sentiments. Llama. I feel like I have a duplicate of this, or this is duplicate. So cute. You are amazing. Heard you need a hug. No problema. No problema is used on every single llama stamp. Came with the die. Some of them are upside down. Cherries, berries, strawberries, lemon. So yeah, you can put little eyes on them. Maybe when they're individual, or like that. Very cute. I love the lines. Perfect lines. And lots of room to color. Okay, this is for sure a duplicate. Yeah, because I've used this before, but this came with the die. Perfect size sentiments. Absolutely perfect. I love this one, but this will go in the giveaway. Ooh, I love it. So adorable. I'm gonna put this aside and start coloring. I think the last couple of cards I did, I speeded up the coloring process and it made the video a lot longer. I did not like that. So Christmas cookies, I love it. It's so cute. So I think I'm gonna go back to what I did before and color it in advance. So what I do is I pick out the stamps that I want to use. This saves so much time, so it might help you if you do multiple stuff at once. So what I do is I collect all the stamps that I want to use. I want to do something with it, and on my Misty I put all the stamps down and stamp them all together, the outline, in the big sheet of paper that fits in there. Okay, here we got some dies, tags, and then later when I'm done stamping, I sit down, watch a movie, and meanwhile I watch my movie or TV show, I color all of them. But if there is a die with it, with that, because I do not have dies with every single one, so if there is a die, as a reminder, I make a note that this section of the stamps has dies, so it's a good thing to remember when you're stamping a lot of things together. Cute. I'm gonna have to put this aside because I'm also missing snowflakes. This is a tease. Very adorable. So yes, if you want to save time on coloring stuff, color a bunch of stamps all together. At least you're doing something while watching a movie. When I watch a movie, I love watching movies. That's my relaxed time. But sometimes I feel bad that I'm wasting time because I could be doing something else. And so coloring is, it makes me feel like I'm being productive. I think the lines on this one is a little bit too thick. A little bit too thick, especially on the leaves. But it came with the die. What else did I want to say? Is this the branch, right? I think this is for this one. Yeah. Peacocks. Another thing I wanted to mention before I finish this video. I forgot. Yeah, I'll probably remember in the next haul video. It was something to do with like a craft hack. Maybe I should make a whole separate video of craft hacks to save you time. I love to save time and then spend 1 hour of doing something in mass production and then save time for the future. Butterflies. Now this is a perfect line. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So much room to color. I love it. This one I really like for Christmas stuff. So these are like the stamp that's kind of like you have to remember. I want to use that in a Christmas card. I just have to somehow mentally like remember that I have these here. And this line is also really cool too. I know it's for this one, but this will be really nice for under a sentiment. But you can always draw a line with your hand. It's totally fine. Alright, let's see. Merry Christmas. Christmas is full of miracles. You're one. Cute. I love the box. There's room to color and it's pretty big. A lot of the boxes I have, it's like pretty small. Not a lot of room to color, so I think that's a good size. This is also a really big one, but it will take up a lot of space unless you want to do something minimal. This one has way too many black lines in it. It should be thinner because there's a lot of crowding there. So once you start coloring, it's gonna look very, very mashed up. Even if you're using, I use waterproof stamp, and even sometimes when you use waterproof stamp but you use alcohol inks, it still gives out that moisture and it kind of blends in. And I'm just ruining the whole stamp. But waterproof black ink is the only ink I use because I think it's the best, especially when you're coloring. This is the last one, flowers. Puppy flowers, beautiful, and it comes with a die. Really good size. There's a lot of room to shade. Yes, shading is great. As I mentioned, right now there is 2 giveaways open, and I think I'm gonna do 2 giveaways per week because I have a lot of stuff to get rid of. So if you want to receive some of my duplicates for free, go enter the giveaways. It's super easy, and good luck.